Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to take a look at the Schumann Resonance, Yellowstone supervolcano caldera, some unique planetary arrangements in the sky, which is where we're going to start. We're here looking at Planet Earth. This is a software app I use. I'm going to take you to here in just a moment. What you see in the background are meteors and asteroids. We've got one coming in by the name of Comet Atlas. No, this isn't Comet Atlas, but it's starting to develop a tail. And if you were up in space and had a front row seat, you would probably see something like that as Comet Atlas gets closer and closer, leaving a debris field behind it. And that's what kind of makes up what we see here on this software app that I use. That's not necessarily all cometary dust, but it's some. In fact, we're going to go there right now as we have a unique planetary arrangement involving Pluto. I never get to talk about Pluto much as it's always kind of off on its own in a different orbit, but today it's in a unique alignment with Jupiter and the Earth. Look at that. There's Pluto right over there. Very rare to see that in the picture. There it is. Almost a perfect alignment. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Pluto on the scene. And then in the morning, early morning hours, if you guys are outside, as Earth turns towards the sun, you see Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn over in the southeastern sky. And Pluto is obviously not visible with the naked eye, but if you had a really good telescope, if you looked right behind Jupiter, you would see Pluto. So a lot of unique things going on in the sky. Also have Venus in the Pleiades house. We're going to take a look at some incredible photos that have been sent in. One from, let's see, there's the arrangement right there. Earth, Jupiter, and Pluto. Here is one from Carlos Skywatcher when Venus was right up in the Pleiades, or at least it looked like it from Earth. Janet Kay also got a good picture, and Wendy out of Georgia, excellent photos of Venus in Pleiades. So a lot going on in the sky. Pluto in town, don't see that very often, which takes us to the Schumann Resonance, which you can find here at the website. Click on that link and you can see a lot of activity on the Schumann in the last 24 hours. All of this activity began last night around 10, 11 o'clock Eastern Time. Look at that signature. Earth heard you guys loud and clear. Look at that. Just absolutely incredible. A lot of energy with regard to the Schumann, and we're also seeing a lot of energy still persisting over here at the Yellowstone supervolcano. You can see here the seismos at the caldera are still showing a lot of activity. I come here multiple times a week, if not every day. And I don't recall seeing this much activity over such a lengthy period of time. It's been like this for weeks, it seems like. And one thing that's odd is if you go to the Old Faithful seismo, which is right there, and that's where most of the activity is at, it's the most quiet. All around Old Faithful, you can see a lot of activity. So don't know exactly what's causing that, but we've got activity in the Schumann. We've got some unique planetary arrangements. Venus in the house of the Pleiades, so a lot going on, but the main thing I wanted to share with you guys was the Schumann Resonance, very large spike in the frequency of planet Earth. Thanks for watching, have a super day, and be safe out there.